So, now we are back. We are back home. I already prepared the carnaba, gabi, and kamote. Pre-made yung aming nangka. We've already prepared the ingredients that are supposed to be sliced, and then we're gonna make our tapioca pearls. Sago! So, it's my first time working with this. Buti na lang, ni-YouTube ko siya. But, from what I learned, you're supposed to prepare boiling water, and then I will once it boils, you're supposed to turn off the heat and then add this. Now it's boiling. I'm gonna turn off the heat and then add in the pearls. I'm just gonna set it aside for 15 minutes and mix it a little. Okay, so I don't understand why it's dikit-dikit. Hindi ganito yung sa video na pinanood ko. I drained the sago and then I put it back in the pot with water again. Tapos sinabi nila, this time you're gonna boil it naman for another 10 minutes. Sinabi din pala nila na you have to keep stirring it para daw hindi magdikit-dikit. Yun pala yun. Don't mind our meatballs because that's our sudan. Kasi ginutom na kami. Nabot na po kami ng lunchtime. Napatagal po ang shooting. Okay. So this is what my sago looks like now. I turned off the heat na kasi konti na lang yung mga wire. We are done eating lunch. Lilo, where are you? Okay. Yan sila. My crew. Hi, Kuya! Kuya's here. We're gonna continue cooking our tabudlo. Yes, Leo, what is it? Yeah.
What's this?
Oh, those are our ingredients for the recipe that we're doing today, which is tabudlo. Ito, tabudlo! Now we will prepare our glutinous rice balls. This is my favorite ingredient in the tabudlo. So, first time making this also, but according to YouTube, glutinous rice flour. Maybe let's just make a cup first. Like, about a cup. Sure, you can help.